Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Nice Tuesday overall. We saw a little bit of cloud cover moving through late this afternoon. We've got more, as you can see behind me there, coming as we head towards Wednesday's forecast, and that actually is going to have some rainfall with it. How much? Yeah, not a whole lot, unfortunately. I know a lot of folks, especially out at the reservoir, like to see a lot of rain coming, but it doesn't look like we're going to see a whole lot from at least this initial wave. Now, that said, we've got a couple coming over the next 3 to 4 days. Not going to be much, but more than what we've seen for the first part of May, which was almost like mid-July. Temperatures in the 80s and 70s, but there's the front out there, the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep showing some of the light scattered showers. Again, those were all pushing north up into the northwest Washington coastline. Let's jump in a little closer and see what's happening close to home. We've got temperatures close to 70 degrees. That's what we hit today in Eugene, 70. 68 right now, mid-50s as you get towards the Highway 20, and 58 interchanges up on the mountains. 64 out in Bend, 71 down in Roseburg, one of the warmer spots so far today in mid-50s as we head out towards the coast. So here are the official numbers from today. Nice chilly start this morning as well. Got down to 38 degrees. So you can see we had a nice little warm up this afternoon, back up to 70. That's 2 days in a row, so a little closer to average, but still overall above the 67 where we should be this time of year. And also no rain in the bucket today from the weather station out at the Eugene Airport, and that puts us at about 15 inches in deficit for the year so far. 6.5 inches is all we've got, 6.56 to be exact, since January 1st. Most of the rain we got for the water year, if we go all the way back to October, it was in October, November, and December, about 25 and some odd change inches. So for today, here what we have across the state, highs a little cooler, especially as you go east of the Cascades. 90s on the board yesterday. We were looking at 60s and 70s today. Still a warm spot down in Rome. They were at 84. Otherwise, everybody across the I-5 corridor sitting in the upper 60s to low 70s. So overnight tonight, we'll keep some cloud cover around, keep the temperatures in the low 40s here in the valley, around 46 in Roseburg, and probably close to 50 as you head out to the coast. Now, yesterday, we were talking about the jet stream that was pretty much pointed right at us, right? Well, we've had a bit of a dip in that jet stream, and that's because the front is developing, low pressure starting to push the jet stream down just a bit. So this is what we call a trough. And as this trough continues to slide across over the next, let's say, 24 to 36 hours, it will keep at least a slight chance for some showers around, starting with the first wave of the front itself coming through tomorrow night. So overnight, things pretty quiet. Tomorrow morning should be a dry go as you head out to work and school. Could see some lightly scattered showers by the time you're commuting home, and then as you see by the time we get towards Thursday, trough itself, or that little dip in the jet stream, moves across, and that should help to concentrate some more widespread activity. Not much in the way of accumulations, but still better than what we've been, which is dry, dry, dry for the first start of the month here. So light showers Tuesday. The showers will start late tomorrow evening. And then right now, if you're headed out, softball getting ready for their regional matchup on Thursday. Baseball Civil War for the Beavs and Ducks this weekend. Could see some passing showers at times. We're not talking about big gully washers, though, so most of the games Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the matchup should be just fine. So we'll be looking at mostly cloudy skies, isolated showers tomorrow evening at the coast. Thursday into early Friday morning, they wrap up. Couple could see another quick hitter late Saturday night, and that's about it. In the Umpqua Basin, partly sunny with the temperatures in the low 70s tomorrow. Tad cooler on Thursday with the rain showers, and then it's back to low 70s and partly sunny by the time we get into the weekend. Cascades, partly sunny, isolated evening showers with the highs in the low 50s. We'll be looking at Bend and Redmond, partly sunny in mid-60s tomorrow. A bit cooler, slight chance for a shower probably Thursday night into Friday, and then finally in the valley, partly sunny, guys. We'll see the clouds thicken up by late day tomorrow afternoon. See some isolated showers, probably about noon time or about news time tomorrow afternoon. Thursday is going to be the best coverage day for that, and then we'll be wrapping those up pretty quickly. Another slight quick hitter coming through Saturday night, but that's about it.
It's about time to break out the rain dance here at this point.
We're getting close. We're getting real close on that. We'll have to watch it.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.